Man, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the mother. Who's calling me? Not answering. What's good, y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today, man. I think I'm finna let one of my friends drive my car today, man. I realize y'all been messing with the car vlogs, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like today, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna bring back another video with my car, but today it's gonna be a little different. I'm finna link back up with JT Quan, Rio, you know what I'm saying, Vante, and I'm gonna see who wanna drive my car today, man. So basically, I wanna see how it's gonna go if I let one of my friends drive my car. Now look, I know it ain't no Hellcat type of video, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know people like seeing niggas drive Hellcats and shit, goddamn scat pets. But today, we finna bring y'all a motherfucking video with an Infiniti G35. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how they gonna drive this bit. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go to one of my friends and see who wanna drive this bit. If y'all fucking with it and if it's interesting and y'all like these type of video, I'm gonna goddamn do a series and I'm gonna let everybody drive that motherfucker. All my friends, see what they gonna do. But other than that, we gonna see what they gonna do, man. I'm finna link up with them at Walmart right now. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. But if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video right now. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below, you know what I'm saying? I like interacting with y'all. Say my drone be loud as fuck going up this hill. Yeah, man, let's get into this video, man. I love y'all, thank y'all for everything. Roll the goddamn 30K, man. Let's get it. Please don't play with that, bro. Hey! Please don't play. Hey! Hey, man, please don't play with little Jaquan, man. His name might be Jaquan, but Jaquan right in the motherfucking Hellcat on their ass, man. No kitty. Hey, but now, Britta, I got a surprise. I mean, not a surprise, but I wanna ask y'all boys something. But, you know, they been playing with my car video, right? Yeah. Oh, they going crazy. Hey! I wanna see who wanna drive my shit.
Don't, bro. Don't zoom into me.
It's not zooming in.
But you trying to do it like right now? Yeah. Like right now? Big Bond in the building. Shoot nigga in his feeling. You know I freestyle off the motherfucking hissing.
This nigga's ready. This nigga's on go. I don't know.
Oh shit.
What the fuck did I just get myself into?
Oh shit.
But now I know you a good driver though, so.
Perfect, bro. I'm talking about. What you get on your driver's test?
What you mean?
Like, what you get on your driver's test?
I got a 94.
All right, don't talk to me. If
what you got, 100?
98, bro.
Well, so what you messed up on?
The turning signal.
I messed up because I was driving through a red light. Not a red light, but you know when it turned yellow?
Yeah.
He said I was going too slow.
That shit.
I guess nigga was just nervous.
Nah, I think he just knew that you couldn't drive.
I'm finna let him drive around a bit.
Yeah.
So man, y'all pray for me, man. Please.
She feel good.
Feel good?
Okay.
I'm gonna let my seat back.
Got a little noise to it. Hold on.
Now my seat don't go back no more? God damn.
Hold on. We in that what? That G35?
Yeah, G35.
That straight pipe loud motherfucker?
Straight pipe loud motherfucker.
Hold on, so look, when you driving a low car, you know you gotta side with that motherfucker, you feel me?
Okay, he know.
Hold on.
He know.
Got two of them hoes.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
And then
something like that. Y'all, I know y'all like that little loud ass exhaust. That shit sound crazy though.
Yeah, I love driving this shit. Every time I wake up.
You wake up and you just choose fucking trumpet, huh?
Yeah. Good music.
Good music, good vibes, loud shit for no fucking reason. Whoa, you hear that tone, nigga? Hold on. Why the fuck my phone keep going off? Is that you? Is that your whole call?
God damn. I did my first time ever riding in the passenger and nigga just do that shit, bro. That shit just made me scared, low key.
So like, how you feeling? Like, is
I'm good for right now. I'm good.
Cool. I like that.
That shit take forever. On me.
That motherfucker feels gizzard.
Oh, this nigga finna crash. This nigga's dangerous. Hey, slow down. Slow the fuck. Yo, this nigga tripping.
Oh shit.
I knew I had the wrong nigga in my shit.
Bro, I'm a real driver, bro.
Okay.
This is nothing like we're just chilling. I bet you ain't really that. Tell these folks quit playing with us, Mark. Quit playing with us. Off a dig.
Quit playing with him, y'all.
I swear. Professional drivers. Sirens with these niggas. Whoop, whoop. Yeah.
What sirens mean? You said what?
Yeah, playing sirens with these niggas. That shit slow. That shit slow, nigga. That shit slow. Hey, you going too fast. You going too fast. Bro.
What the hell you just hit, nigga? 300? Damn, we was still flying. They don't got it too excited.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. I just got scared as fuck. I ain't lying.
Come on and slow that shit down.
Hey,
What's going on?
what going on, man?
Hey boy, y'all doing YouTube or something?
Hey,
Yeah. That shit slow. Leave his ass in the dirt.
Out the road! Bitch! What road is that, boy? Alright, slow down, slow down! Damn. That nigga tripping. It was a bad idea. Oh, hell no. What up, caught a nigga? What the fuck? Alright, chill. Fuck that nigga.
That nigga going
Fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga, bro. Fuck that nigga, bro.
Downshifting on you niggas, cuz. Downshifting on you niggas, cuz. What the fuck? Stop playing with him cause he's not one of them. I am not one of them, nigga. Stop playing with me.
I'm finna head back to goddamn Rihanna house.
Rihanna.
You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to get back. Get you out the motherfucking
Peacefully?
driver's seat. Peacefully.
Peacefully?
Peacefully.
Alright. I got something for you, bro.
Y'all let me know how y'all, if I was tripping down below.
I got something for you. I got something for you.
What you doing?
I got something for you, bro. Just vibe, bro. Chill out.
We going home. We're going home, right?
Hell yeah.
Alright.
Hell yeah. We just chilling. You feel me? Come on. Look at all these slow ass cars. Bitch ass nigga. You in that motherfucking Hellcat, nigga.
Oh shit, bro, chill, bro. Chill, bro. That nigga trying to slide my shit, nigga. I just know you ain't try that shit, boy. That nigga just tried to whip that hoe. She talking about we chill in the neighborhood.
Was you scared, bro? Like, you thought like.
I mean, I know my car's small, but like, you ain't gotta goddamn treat that bitch like it's a that.
Shut up, bro. I don't wanna hear none of that. You see that? You like that? You like that? What's going on, huh? Yes, sir. It's on the hood, nigga, job. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't need you to drive like that. Look, kid, don't drive like that. Always keep 2 hands on the wheel. Pay attention to everything that's going on.
Alright. You telling them right, you telling them right.
Yeah, pay attention to everything going on.
That's
Do
the
not,
first.
do not try this at home.
That's the best thing you said all video.
Damn.
What
See,
you doing?
I was gonna tell you that, but you know, stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. That's all we do is we just make noise, nigga. Vroom, vroom, vroom. That's all we do.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to do another one of these. I told him in the beginning of the video I was gonna like start a series or like let my friend drive my shit.
Hell yeah.
But after this first impression, bro,
No. Guess what? Guess what?
I gotta slow down, man.
Fuck out my way. Yeah, I know what I'm doing,
That bitch
nigga.
sound good. I ain't lying.
One more. Ooh. Bruh, come on with this slow ass focus,
Alright, we can chill on the way back now.
Alright, bet I got you.
We can chill.
Fucking chill now. Lay
You
back.
tripping?
You know what I'm saying? Chilling. You drive with your shoes on or off?
Sometimes. Mostly on. I only did it off one time because JT told me to.
When you drive with your shoes off, you feel everything. You can literally feel the engine.
So you making love with my engine right now.
Yeah. She fucking my feet right now.
Alright.
You should respect that.
Alright.
She dead ass fucking the shit out my feet right now. I love that.
Okay. She fucking your feet.
That bitch burning though. Like, her pussy hot.
Who?
How many folks been on this one?
Jimmy.
To you?
Nobody else.
That's all that you know though, right? Like,
What you talking about?
That's all that she told you?
Yeah.
Like, you the only person that fuck?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
And I'm the only person that's. Well, you did just fuck her. So that means she not mine no more.
Ask her what I gave her. Like, ask her.
What you get, nigga, man?
Hey, Mom.
What?
My coochie hurt.
Your coochie hurt.
He gave me that straight pipe. He gave me that straight pipe. He gave me that straight pipe. He gave me that straight pipe.
Alright, bro, shut the fuck up.
He gave me that straight pipe.
Yeah. Yeah.
That coin?
That coin. Slow that shit down, nigga.
Motherfucker losing traction.
Nigga,
Well, he going back to me, bro.
shit, I don't know. Janelle, but y'all. Janelle. Some crazy shit finna come out with soon.
Who is? Why you say
Anybody that shot with cousin, y'all got it. Y'all shit coming.
that? Hey, man. They done caught the Hellcat, man. She crazy. I was
This
saying,
video dropping?
shit, whenever he...
After?
Yeah, after. I was saying in Quan video, y'all gonna see that shit. I was saying, like, my first week in Atlanta, I went to goddamn McNair Middle School.
Yeah.
My first day, bruh.
McNair.
My first day, my first class, the teacher told Quan to take me to my class, bro. And ever since then, bro, we been goddamn close since. And that didn't got a Hellcat at 19, nigga.
Damn.
Shit crazy as fuck.
Nigga can't. I just drove.
I met her when I was like 11 or something.
I just drove MarTheCreator.
For real?
Going crazy in that bitch. I got videos. You know what
Okay.
Talking about hold back in. Alright, bro. Why is there so many folks
Why the fuck we can't move?
God damn, bro.
Damn, Atlanta.
Fuck. Finna move out this shit, bro. Gonna move on the side of the earth. I have to start. Yeah. Move, bro. All that pussy ass shit.
Pussy hoe.
Bitch.
He say he finna move off the earth.
Yeah. I'm gonna move on the side of the earth where there's no cars moving, no people. It's me and you. Wait, huh?
I'm not gonna be there.
I ain't mean that. Oh
That's
yeah, little G35.
Hold
Don't play with him.
He went around
Bro,
that
come
truck.
on, the dirt ass truck. What the fuck he doing?
Damn, doing
The
too
fuck?
much.
Bitch. He just did that wild by that turn.
Exactly. That shit was illegal anyway.
Slow ass truck. You hear me, nigga?
Alright, bro, we almost home, bro. Relax.
I will never call back. If Mark called back, you need it, yeah. That mean it was all bad. You don't like my song?
Huh?
Am I better driver than you?
You're a more dangerous driver than me.
Okay.
But now I know you a good driver.
If dangerous is the opposite of good, then yeah, I'll take it.
Now you a good dangerous driver.
Nah,
You know what I'm saying?
no, I'll take it.
Oh, you gonna take it. Chill, bro. Don't even do it.
What? I'm chilling.
He like you finna smash that.
Huh? Got your ass chucking back in that seat, nigga. Bitch ass. Bitch. Shut that shit up, nigga. Shut your ass up. You gotta love it, man. BQ gang. Throw up your set. BQ.
You nigga here. But yeah, though. I already knew you was a goddamn
Talking
good ass driver.
if NASCAR,
I used to ride you. I used to ride with you in the car. You remember that shit? What? What? What's wrong? I said I used to ride with you, bro. You remember that? Man, scared his ass. I know he went down. Scared his fault. But now I figured we finally made it.
get up.
What you mean get up?
You used to that gay ass shit.
What you mean get up?
Get up.
So you kicked me out my own
Yes,
shit.
get out. Get the fuck out. You just said you ride. What?
Bro, please, bro. I was just
Get
playing.
out.
I was just playing.
Get out. I will park this shit at your house, but get out.
Let me get my phone.
Bro, no, move.
Come on, bro.
Bitch ass, gay
Bro.
ass nigga. You
Bro.
gay.
Hey, that's my first time hearing that shit outside my car. Hey, I'm finna get my motherfucking car back, though. That shit was just loud. Hold on. Hey, bro. That shit was just loud as fuck. That's my first time really hearing it for real outside my car.
Yeah, see now you know that like you just be irritated, like that shit not
That shit
like,
crazy.
that shit not cool.
I did not know it was that loud though.
Like you be just ear raping, like that shit is not normal, it's not cute.
They gonna be alright.
Don't ever say that gay shit again, bro.
My bad.
You're lucky I fuck with you, bro.
For sure.
Don't say that gay shit again. You heard that shit though? That shit was loud as fuck. That shit
Nigga,
sounded
that
like
shit was
fucking
dumb loud.
like I'm in fucking at school still and I was playing that trumpet and all blowing niggas.
Yeah, man. As y'all can see, man, this is the first person, you know what I'm saying? I don't regret it, but I kinda, you know what I'm saying? It was alright. We got home safe, you feel what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So
yeah, you know.
that's all that matters for
They
real.
call me Captain Saberho.
So, man, if y'all fuck with this shit, man, let me know down below, and I'm gonna keep this shit going. How you feel? You like this shit?
Yeah, yeah. I just
Sure.
did 200 on the dash. You didn't even know that.
200.
Is it even 200 on the dash? I wasn't
Nah.
even looking, nigga.
It's definitely
Guess
140.
what? I was going stupid. Bitch,
Yeah, man, that's the end.
Stop playing.
That's the end. Bro, get out of the way.
Yeah, big ass truck, fat ass trailer.
Yeah, man, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all boy enjoyed, man.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. See how niggas like, nigga. Oh, crap.
Hey, bro. Hey, oh, we finna hit the curb. This nigga trippy, all right, man. Like the video right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new.
Hey, what the fuck?
Yeah, man, we out, man.